Hey there! Is your iPhone having trouble recording video using both the front and the back cameras? No need to stress. I'm here to help. In this video, I'll walk you through how to easily record video with both cameras on your iPhone. Let's jump right into it. Use DoubleTake, which supports dual camera recording. To do this, first, open the App Store. Then tap on the search bar. Now type in DoubleTake. After that, hit Install. Next, tap Open to launch the app. Then, tap Accept to agree to the terms. Now tap the cross icon located in the top left corner. After that, tap Allow to grant permissions. Then tap Allow again when prompted. Here, you can select Double Shot or tap on Split Screen. You can also change the settings to fit your preferences. Now, tap the Record button and there you go. That's how easy it is to record videos with both the front and back cameras on your iPhone. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in and happy recording.